Today, I'm telling you about LinkedIn. So, guys, this is LinkedIn. This is the home screen of LinkedIn when you will sign up or whenever you log in. So, let me show you this home screen. Guys, obviously, first of all, this is a start a post option. You just click here and you can post anything you want to, whatever is in your mind, you can just simply post here. You can see that LinkedIn is just like any other social media platform, for example, like Facebook or Instagram, but it also features different options. For example, finding jobs or posting jobs that other social media platforms do not offer. That's why LinkedIn stands out. So guys, after you have seen right here that you can post anything, let me give you a tour what is going on to this side. So guys, here you can see a groups option. What is the groups option? If you click on groups, you will see different groups right here. If you want to discover any group that you have on LinkedIn that interests you, you can just simply discover them and then join those groups. Once you have joined any group, these are the different groups that you can see right here. Whatever group interests you, you can just simply add any of this and this group will appear right here. Then there is an event option where you can add any of the event that's coming up or you want to remember. Then you can actually follow different hashtags. I will give you a tour of this also later to just show you how you can actually follow different hashtags. So once you log in, you can see right here there is an option for you to follow people. You follow different people and you make different connections. On Facebook or Instagram, there are followers or friends. Well, on LinkedIn, you're actually making connections. That's why the people you connect with are known as your connections and they appear right here. Like whoever will connect you will be appearing here. And then there is an option for contacts. What is a contact? You can simply contact anyone through email or any person who reaches you on LinkedIn will appear here. You can add more contacts. You can export contacts from your different apps or your Skype anywhere, and then you can just add them here. After that, there is also again a groups option where you can follow different groups, event and pages, just like other social media platforms. So you can follow whoever you want to. Like for example, you can see right here there are different pages for us to follow. So if I just click here and I will start following them, and if I want to follow this, I will just click right here and it will start following. So right here you can see you can actually follow people. LinkedIn is very clever because you can see I have logged in as a marketing and advertising agent. Like in my profile, I will show you later. Whatever you add in your profile, LinkedIn will actually suggest those people who are expert in that field. For example, here they are suggesting the people that they think you should follow because you're marketing agent. For example, if you are an editor or if you are in education, then you will see different people that are in education. So I can just follow anyone I want to right here. Just follow them or go to their profiles and check them out if you want to. Then again, here you can see different pages that you should follow. So you can just simply click here and you will start following them. It's very simple. So this was a tour of my network right here. Then guys, this is the option that is the most interesting one, jobs option. So when you click on job, you can actually see different jobs. You can actually find different jobs. Right here you can see it's saying that marketing manager. For example, if I have logged in as marketing manager, there are 3,423 jobs available for me, which is very cool. So I'm just gonna click here and give you a tour right here. You can see these are all different jobs. So if you like a job, and if I just click right here, you will see this job will open up and you can actually see the budget. They're saying they'll pay you $17 per hour, which is very nice. If you want to apply, you just click on apply and then you can continue with your profile so you can apply for this job. Once you click continue, you will be able to apply for this job. So guys, you can see this job has been opened. So if you want to apply, you can just simply click on apply to job and you can apply for it. Or if you want to save it for later, you can simply click here. It's so simple to apply for a job on LinkedIn. So guys, after that, if I just take you back to home once again to show you more features. So here you can see I showed you home and then my network. I showed you how this works, after that jobs, and then there is messaging. So in messaging, you can actually contact different people, whoever you want to, or connect to your connections or friends. So right here is a very cool feature. If I click on this video icon, you will see you can actually create a video meeting on Microsoft Teams or Zoom, which is a very cool feature that LinkedIn offers. So you can actually conduct a professional meeting on LinkedIn. Then there is a notification option, of course, where you will receive any notification from your groups, from your connections, or any new update that will appear right here. Then there is a me option. So if you click right here, you can go to your profile and check out your profile right here. So this is my profile right now because I have not set up anything, but you can simply just click here or change your name or other settings right here. Then you can add your picture right here, your cover picture right here. And then you can do different settings for your profile as well. So guys, here you can just edit your profile and add your URL, and make sure you make your profile stand out in others in order to get good jobs. Now here you can see there is a work option. Let's just go through it quickly. This is a LinkedIn products that LinkedIn offers. Like for example, there is a learning option. So let me take you to learning. What is learning option? Is just simply that you can actually learn from different experts. Like LinkedIn actually offers you a school or a program. For example, if you're in marketing, right, then you can actually follow different experts. You can just take their classes and you can learn from the best, which is amazing, guys. You can run your business on LinkedIn very efficiently, and LinkedIn can help your business very effectively. And then you can just go to LinkedIn. After that, there is a insight option. Insight option is just that it will give you an insight to your skills, that what you can do or what LinkedIn offers in order to help your particular skill. Then you can simply post any job you want to. If you are looking to hire somebody on LinkedIn, you can simply post a job. Then there is an advertise option to advertise your job and to attract your employees. And then there is find leads, where you can actually find different jobs according to your location. Then there is a group option again, and ProFinder helps you find jobs way more easily. And then there is a salary option. After that, guys, let me take you back to on home. You can see, guys, that the messaging option, it's available right here, but you can actually see your messages right here also. This just pops up and you can simply see your new messages here. If you want to try premium, then there is a premium option also, which actually gives you a lot more cool features. So this is actually the free account that LinkedIn has offered. And yes, guys, LinkedIn is awesome to use. I hope I was a big help if you have just signed in. So I gave you a quick tour around LinkedIn. And yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.